Hi friends, in this video we will see how to install Anaconda distribution in our local system. Anaconda distribution is a free and open source distribution designed for R and Python languages. So let's get started. So once you open your browser, you need to search for Anaconda download and you will reach these, you will get these options and you just need to click enter. You will reach this page. Here you will have to select the first option, that is the individual edition Anaconda, right? You just need to click over here. So after clicking over there, you will reach this page where Anaconda, your data science toolkit, right? So basically Anaconda is known as your data science toolkit. So I will just show you why this is being done. Anaconda distribution is known as your data science toolkit because of these three reasons. Anaconda is an open source distribution, as I have already mentioned that. Now, in Anaconda, the package management system is very easy. You just need to install your packages using Conda, and all the packages are present in the Conda environment. So it's pretty easy to install all the packages. As in data science, the packages are very important over there. You will be using numerous packages over there. So package management is quite easy, and the environment management is also quite easy over there. You can just easily switch to different environments. You can create your virtual environments and work over there. So that is why data scientists prefer Anaconda distribution for their projects and all, right? So here we just need to click on download, and then we will be getting these options. One is for Windows, one is for Mac OS, one is for Linux. So according to your system, you just need to select one of those options. As I'm using Windows environment over here, so I'll be moving with Windows 64-bit graphical installer. So you just need to click over here and your download will be started. Now we will just wait till the download gets completed and then we will start the installation process. So once the download is completed, you just need to open that file and you will reach this page where it's written that Anaconda 64-bit setup. So here we are installing the Anaconda Windows 64-bit edition, as I have already mentioned over there. So let's begin the installation process from here. We'll just click next to continue. We'll agree with the license agreement. And since if you are a beginner, I recommend you to install the Just Me version. That is the recommended version from Anaconda as well. But if you are very comfortable with the environments and everything, you can go with all users and customize your packages and everything. But as of now, we will be continuing with the Just Me option. Then it will ask you for the path. So generally, we install Anaconda only in that partition of your hard drive where your uh, OS is being installed. So in my system, it's being installed in the C drive, so I'm going with that. So for that, you will just need 2.7 GB of space available in your hard disk, right? So we'll click on next here also. So here I'll be going with the uh, default option, that is I register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.8, right? So I'll click on install and my installation will get started. So this thing will take some time. So we will wait till the installation is being completed and then we can see how to open Anaconda, and then we'll move on to Jupyter Notebook. So once the installation is completed, the screen will display here as completed. This Once you see this, you will get to know that yeah, the installation is being completed. So after that, we will be doing again the same thing. We will click on next and let's see what it shows. Now it's asking me to it's asking me to collaborate with PyCharm as well. So I will just do next over here and then I am completing my Anaconda installation here. So then it will just give you an individual tutorial how to use Anaconda, right? So you can just go over here, you can go through all these stuff, how to what are the different editions of Anaconda and all those stuff, but as of now it's more than enough for you. Once the setup is completed, we will open Anaconda Navigator. For that, your Anaconda Navigator might be present in your desktop as well, but if it's not present in your desktop, we will search it here in the search bar by entering Anaconda Navigator. We can see there is an app known as Anaconda Navigator Anaconda 3. This is the app that we installed right now. So we will click here and we'll wait till the app loads, because for the first time it will take some time to load. So let the app load and we will see how to open Jupyter Notebook and other IDEs present over there. Once the loading is being done, you will reach at this page, that is the Anaconda Navigator, which is your Anaconda Navigator app that we just opened up, right? And the time that took for the Anaconda app to open from in my system was around 1 to 1.5 minutes, but it depends on system to system. So uh, kindly wait, because if your system might be of low configuration, then it will take some time to open. So kindly wait for that. And once you reach this page, we will just get a thank you message from Anaconda, and we will just do it okay and don't show again. So these are the different IDs present over here in Anaconda, which you will get to know from once you just start with the course, how to work with all these stuff. So all these stuffs are not necessary. From here we will be using mostly the Jupyter Notebook will be mostly using, and there is something called the Spider, which is being used for Python scripts and all. So yeah, you'll get to know how all this stuff works in your upcoming classes. But right now we will see how to install, how to open Jupyter, right? So we will click on launch here, and your Jupyter Notebook will be open in a browser. That browser might be Google Chrome, browser might be your Internet Explorer, that browser might be your Opera or Mozilla, any other browser which is your default, that will open over there. So once you click on launch, your Jupyter Notebook will be started in your browser. So this is the Jupyter Notebook that is being started, right? So from here you can access the desktop downloads and everything. Wherever your IPYNB files are present, you can just click on that path and you can just open the page, open your notebook over here. Okay, so that is how you will be opening all the notebooks that will be uploaded in your LMS. And you can just open your Jupyter Notebook, go to, if you have downloaded it and your file is present in download, then go to downloads, and all these IPYNB files will be present like this, and you can just click on any of them and the file will be opened. Suppose I'm opening this file, this is the notebook file that is being uploaded in your LMS. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you have understood how to install Anaconda and how to open Jupyter Notebook and work with that. So thank you.